Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we are going to dive into how to create custom 404 page in Next.js. So let's dive in. This video will show you how to make a custom 404 page using the new app router. By default, in any Next app, when you go to a route that is not in the app folder, Next shows a default 404 not found page. For example, when you go to localhost 3000 Hamed, which is a route we don't have in our app, we see the default 404 page. Well, this default page is good for quick testing. You may often want to change its look. To take a custom not found page, just create a file names. Just create a file name not hyphen found.tsx or not hyphen found.jsx if you are using JavaScript. Let's go back to VS Code and create the file. In the app folder, create file name not hyphen found.tsx. Make and export a React component. The file name has to be not hyphen found. In this file, make the export a React component. Let's name component not found. And we will return a div tag with an h2 that say page not found and a paragraph tag could not find requested resource, and a paragraph tag could not find anything. The structure and style of this component is totally up to you. Our focus in this video is on the idea and not style. So create the hyphen font.tsx file and export the components as a default. If you now go back to the browser, we would see the text for our custom not found page. In most real apps, it's good to show a custom 404 page with branding and theme style applied. This is how you can do it. It is important to note that this not found page is linked to the file-based routing system of the app router. But what if you want to show this page based on a certain condition? For that, we can use the not found function from Next.js. Let me show you how it works. Let's say that the number of comments for a post cannot be more than 1000 and we want to show a not found page for a comments ID more than 1000. So in page.tsx file in the comments ID folder, start by importing the not found function from Next.js navigation. Then in the component, if parse in of params.comments ID is more than 1000, we call the not found function. Well, we are at it. It's also route saying that not found page can also be made at the folder level. So in the comments ID folder, make a new not found.tsx file with the following content. A component called not found that shows the text comments not found. Now back in the browser, if you go to localhost 3000/posts/comments/5/2, we should see the accept out. But if you go to comments/1001, we will see the review not found page. This page matches the file in the comments ID folder and not the one in the app folder. Hopefully the hierarchy is clear to you. Well, that covers the not found file and the function introduced in the new app router.